welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. So friends, as if you've been following me, many of you know that I've been doing my walks in the morning, and what I've been doing is listening to YouTube channels, cooking YouTube channels. That way I can listen to it and don't have to worry about watching it. And I was listening to Mandy in the Making the other day, and she had a Subbie Supper on there, and it just sounded really intriguing. It was one of her subscribers sent this recipe in. I think her name was Lauren. I'm gonna link Mandy's channel below in the actual episode that I listened to, so you can actually see the full recipe and also check out her channel. But anyway, I had 3 pieces of chicken left over from when I made a dish the other day, and I can't refreeze it, and I needed to do something with it. And this recipe just sounded bizarre, but yet it sounded good. There was just something about it that's making me want to try it, and I thought, you know what, I got this chicken left over, let's go ahead and try it. It does call for boneless, skinless chicken, but I am using these chicken thighs that I have with the skin on it, which I don't think is going to make that big of a difference, but I'm doing it anyway. And let me quickly go over the ingredients, because it's like seriously the simplest thing possible. Now I'm only doing a half of a batch because I had 3 left. So are you ready for this, friends? French dressing, whole cranberry sauce, I know, and a packet of onion soup mix. Yeah. I don't know why. She said it was really good. Mandy said it was delicious. Her husband loved it. Her whole family loved it. So I just got to make it. So anyway, and of course the chicken, obviously. So like I said, I'm going to do a half of a batch. So let's turn the camera down and get this all mixed up. All right, we're going to go ahead and start by opening up my cranberry sauce. And like I said, I'm only going to be making half the recipe. So I'm going to be using half of this can, half of the dressing, and half of the bag of mix. Oh, where's my fork? There it is. I was looking for my fork. All right, so we're gonna put half of this in there. Like that. All right, I'm gonna shake up our dressing really well. We're gonna add in half of this, about half the bottle. Yep. And then what I like to do, my onion soup mix, I like to break it up a little bit and shake it up, because y'all know those big pieces of onion, when you're only using half of the bag, it doesn't mix well. So I want to get it mixed in the bag like that. Then, yeah, see how you get those onion? Remember the sauce is on the bottom, or the, there we go. Makes it harder when you're using a half a bag than the whole bag. And friends, that, oh, now I'm making one heck of a mess. That is it. I know, what are you thinking? It's bizarre, but I'm just so daggone curious. I'm just mixing all those ingredients together, getting it mixed well. It's a pretty color. You see that? All right, now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my chicken on my little mat here. She said to poke holes in it so the flavors will go in, and because I have the skin on it, I'm going to pull the skin back, poke some holes, put some sauce on it, and then we'll finish it off. All right, my friends, so we are going to just pull the skin back. I did wash all my chicken. Oops. A lot of skin on this bad boy. There we go. Let's pull all that back. Okay, I'm going to take my fork. I'm going to poke holes in my chicken. Like I said, she called for skinless, boneless thighs. but this is what I had on hand, and I thought I'm going to use it. All right. Then I'm going to just add some of this under the skin. All right, I'm gonna pull it back up. I'm gonna flip it over. And I got my little pan here. Put some of this, I'm gonna put a little bit in the bottom of the bowl, or the bottom of the pan. I just have a little I think it's 9 by 9, I think, or 8 by 8. I'm not really sure what it is. Okay. And we're just gonna go ahead and throw that in there like that. The skin back there. Put a little bit on it here. Does smell good though, I gotta be honest with you. It smells really delicious. So, like I said, I was just really intrigued. I don't know. Something about it made me want to try it. Put it in. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna take the rest of this and just pour it right over top. Using my hands now that they're all a mess. I'm gonna put this in the oven on 350. My oven is already preheated. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands real quick and then we'll go ahead and stick it in the oven. Okay, my friends, the oven is lit or preheated, 350. We're gonna put it in for about 50 minutes, 50 to 60 minutes. All right, my friends, time is up. It does smell really good, I gotta say, and it actually looks pretty good. Look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and get this plated up and give it a taste test. All right, let's see. Here we go. It looks delicious, friends. Looks absolutely delicious, and it smells delicious. Okay. I'm gonna put some sauce on it. Let me get a spoon. Let's see. It does look good. Smells good. I hope it tastes as good as it smells and looks. We're gonna cut into it. I can definitely tell why they said not to do it with the skin, because it has a little bit of more greasy, I think, but I like the skin, so we're gonna try it. It looks really good. Look at that. All right, friends, here we go. I'm a little nervous. This is actually really good. Never in a million years. Wow. This is absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Friends, this is a must make. Absolutely must make. So thank you to Mandy in the Making and her Subbie subscriber. I think her name was Linda. I'm gonna post that in the description box so you guys can go check out the original recipe over there. Like I said, I was so intrigued. It's so good. It's really, really good. So anyway, friends, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that little button and subscribe. I am trying to grow my channel and I can't do it without those subscribe buttons being hit. Also, give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. And also go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest as well, as I'm active on those social media sites too. So friends, thanks again, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.